What exactly is cryptocurrency? Let's break it down. Normally, when you send money, a bank sits in the middle, checking your balance and moving the cash. Crypto removes that middleman. Instead, thousands of computers worldwide keep one shared public record of every transaction. Transactions are bundled into blocks. Each block is locked to the last by a mathematical fingerprint. That chain is the blockchain. Change one old block, and every block after it breaks. Nobody can rewrite history. Your coins live at a public address, unlocked by a private key only you hold. Lose it, and the money is gone forever. Bitcoin was the first, capped at 21 million coins. Ethereum added programmable contracts. But prices swing hard, and no bank can undo a mistake. So, cryptocurrency is money secured by math and code, run by everyone, and owned by you.